Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we are learning how to make thumbnail on Poster Maker. First we will go Poster Maker app and we will go create new and then go create new again, and we will press image and go down and press the YouTube thumbnail. Now we are seeing downward images, press images, and according to your likeness you can take any picture from your gallery. Okay, and then set the size. Alright, and down to just see the down one, just see text, press the text and write Dracula. Alright, done. And now change the color of font. Go to the color, and I am pressing white color. And now I want to add some stroke. Just yes, for shadow we will press the stroke, and for border I am selecting blue color. Alright, just see, and I am setting here Dracula. Now you can save. Now it is saving. Now we will go YouTube Studio and select the video, press it, just custom thumbnail, push, yes, this is our eye, and done. Now save. Just see, it has come here. Thank you so much.